All right, so in this video, we need to find where the tangent line to this curve over here is going to be parallel to this tangent line over here. And we have to use the difference quotient, basically. So in order to do that, the first thing we have to do is we need to just sub this in our equation. So lim h approaches 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So I'll start by subbing in this formula for f of x plus h. So lim h approaches 0, replacing these two x's with x plus h. So I have 3x plus h squared minus 4x plus h. And then I'm subtracting f of x, which is the original equation. So I'll do that inside a bracket always. The negative has to distribute. And we're dividing this all by h. So now we have to simplify this. So I'll expand out all three brackets. When I'm expanding x plus h squared, I generally do it a bit quicker. I'll show all the steps here on the side, but technically you want to do this all in one step. You want to get good at this. This is just x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared. This is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So technically you want to be able to go from this to this without doing all the steps in this course. So this is 3 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h minus 3x squared plus 4x. It's all divided by h. Negative 4x and 4x cancel. And I can multiply this 3 into the bracket in my next step. That is just 3x squared plus 6h plus 3h squared minus 4h minus 3x squared. It's again divided all by h. These cancel out. And now I'm just left with 6xh plus 3h squared minus 4h divided by h. I can cancel out my h's next. If I have an h on the bottom, I can cancel out if they all have an h here, and this should always be the case. If you don't cancel out an h, it means you've made a mistake somewhere in the problem, because we can never sub in h as 0 until we make a cancellation. I'm just left with 6x plus 3h minus 4. Once I complete the cancellation, I can sub in my h as 0. So this is just 6x minus 4. And this is the general slope of the equation. I want to find where this slope is parallel to this line over here. I know this line has a slope of positive 8. It's going to make that equal to 8 over here and solve this equation for x. So I'll move the negative 4, this becomes 12, and then I'll divide by 6. So x equals to 2. And then to find the y value, I'll just sub it back in the original equation. F of 2 is just 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2, which is 3 times 4 minus 8, which is 12 minus 8, which is 4. So the point where the slope is the same as that line is basically 2, 4.